this is a little about the Tote Gote. I put some expanded metal panels on so I could use my MOLLE attachments on my pouches that we made. So I can have a tarp here, can have some other gear here, I can have a poncho here, you know, some other things. So now I can organize my stuff into the MOLLE pouches that we have. We call them cylindrical gear bags. And our ponchos, tarps, that sort of thing are available in a MOLLE option. Also up here I used one of our scavenger bags and attached it to the handlebars with double-sided Velcro. I can put my water bottle, sunflower seeds, or whatever, stuff like that down in there. And that'll work really, really nice. How do you like my view, my dining room right here? Pretty awesome, right? Well, I got some other cool stuff to show you. Take my little stool right here. And now here's the other cool thing right here. The seat lifts up so I can fill the gas tank. So what I did was, so there's filling the gas tank there. Made it so a tray will fold down there and the seat will fold down right here. And now I've got a place to eat and cook my meals right here off the Tote Gote. So I've got some leftover homemade chicken noodle soup, and then I've got a 123 stove here. Okay, now I just need to pump this up a little bit. Okay. Overflow. Got to take the pump off. There we go. Don't really want to melt that. Okay, now that will preheat the stove here. Once that warms up, that'll be a nice little deal. You need a little bit of water. The chicken noodle soup. And we'll we're cooking literally with gas here. I don't know, is this insane or what? Probably is. But it's how I roll. Now, one other cool thing I thought of was, say it's windy or something. If it's windy, I can flip this up as a windscreen. And I cook right there. But right now it's not bad. So I can put that back there. Put that there. And one of the other nice things I thought of was a stove like this one or my MSR. They both use gas as the fuel, gasoline. So I can actually use the same fuel that I run the Tote Gote with to cook with. Tell you what, this little stove's a hot little bugger. That thing will flat out cook. We're already simmering here. So now wherever I go at the Tote Gote, I got a table to cook on, to eat off of, everything like that. Why not, man? Tell you what, at Wilderness Innovation, we innovate everything. The table idea was actually a friend of mine's. He was talking about putting on the back where I put that expanded metal, making some kind of table attachment. So that put it in my brain, and as I thought about it, I thought, well, why not put it as part of the seat? And by doing that, then it's all, you know, it's already there. It already flips out and everything. I don't have to move anything on the back. Because to do it the other way, I'd have to take gear off the back in order to do the table. This way here, I don't have to move anything. I just get off the Tote Gote, flip the seat out, and I'm ready to rock and roll right there. Bino, what do you think about this? Am I losing my marbles or what? Yeah, so what do you think about this? Am I losing my marbles or what? I don't know. I think it could be a good idea. We'll find out, because I already did it. Let's start using it. Time to eat. Oh, it's too hot. I got some friends that watch that's like, he burns his mouth every time he eats. Does he not know that stuff that come off the stove is hot? Apparently not. Could add just a little cold water to it, I guess. Kind of cool a little. Make it a little soupier. That could help. Whoops. Help just a little bit here. There we go. I don't know, I think I'm going to like this little table deal. To be honest with you. Oh, that tastes good. On a wintry day, chicken noodle soup cooked on the Tote Gote. I am insane. I think insanity has reached the Peacock House. I'm liking the chicken noodle soup though. I am going to tell you what, it's awesome. It's nice to be able to sit on a stool, have a table to eat off of, have a table to cook, you know, put your stove up and set up if you got a few things you're putting together. Heck, if you got a couple of people, there's room to, you know, there's probably room for 2 people to eat here and you could cook there. It's not bad. You'll see me using this some more because I got to figure it out. Got to see if I like it, if there's anything I got to change or what. I just kind of threw it together.